So Python, on the other hand, it is very user friendly. It is easily readable. Just a minute. So Python is very user friendly. It is easily readable. So unlike the other computer language, programming languages like C or C++, the structure and the syntax of those languages is like pretty difficult, and it also depends a lot upon the syntax. Like you should be giving a semicolon, you should be putting a curly bracket and everything like that. So unless you put everything into the program, into the body of the loop, so that will not function properly. On the other hand, Python isn't like that. So even if you put a semicolon, or if you forget to put a bracket or everything, it just works fine. So diving deep into a first very Python program. So everywhere the programming language starts with the basic thing, hello world. So this is the thing. If you want to print us, I'll be coming back why I have been using the print statement and everything. So this is the very basic program which you can write in Python. But unlike if you want to do in C++, you should be writing something like include stdio.h int main printf hello world. So see the level of computation which is happening here. So in a Python program, you will do only one line commands, whereas in C or C++, you should be writing an hefty code. So that is the very useful purpose case here. Unlike this is a structured language, the language which we are developing here in the C, it is very structured. But here it is like easily readable, easily interpretable. Yeah, this is it. And the level of abstraction is high. So what do you mean by abstraction? So abstraction is nothing but something abstract. In simpler terms, let's take an example. So if you want to search for some song in Google, you just write some random song name, and what you see is a number of results appearing. Okay, just a minute. So what you see is a number of results appearing on your web page. So what happens is you are unaware of the process which is actually happening back. When you search some random song, the song actually uses the IP address, uses the web addresses, uses the IP protocols and everything like that. But you are just unaware of what's actually happening. What you do is you just type a name and you see the web page results showing and they are coming up randomly. So the actual ground process which is happening behind is called as abstraction. So in Python, the abstraction is very high. Like if I print hello world, there is really no need to know what is actually happening behind the scenes, like how the printf is actually printing the hello world and everything like that. So it is the level of abstraction is high, and Python is a high level programming language, unlike this is what I have told here. So if you just give a information to the PC, so it will be compiling it, and it will be compiling the information into the machine code, and that machine code is actually read by the machine code is actually in binary or hexadecimal form. Like the computer communicates itself with either ones or zeros, that's all. So whatever information which you will be giving, it will be decoding itself into ones and zeros, and in that way it will be able to understand what you are trying to say. So coming to the next part. So this is the difference, guys. Like the print statement in Python and everything is like a single line statement, but whereas in C or C++, you should be following this whole syntax structure.